This ponytail is just not, it's not it today. It's not giving what it was supposed to give. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Caresha J Marie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is going to be another unboxing haul of my Sinbono luxury handbags fall edition. And it's not gonna be one bag, but two. So yeah, let's hop right into this video because y'all know how much I love my Sinbono bags. So the first bag by Sinbono is the mini case crossbody bag, and I really love this bag because I feel like I don't have enough little small bags that I can actually wear however I want to wear, like this video that I'm showing you guys. So yeah, so this is how it looks. Super cute. It is a fall color. It's in brown. Closer. So it's like a crocodile looking. That's how it looks. You can hold it like a clutch. It is like magnetic, and you can also wear it as a crossbody. You can wear it around your waist. You can wear it as like a purse on your shoulder. So it's very versatile. That's what I really like about it. And it's super small in case you don't want to carry a big bag. I love the color. It's really giving fall. Is it not giving fall? Like, this is really giving fall luxury. Okay. So of course you just hook this, and then you can wear it like this. Wrong way. So yeah, super cute, super cute. Yes, ma'am. This next bag is a real gag, you guys. This next Alyssa bag in the color black. This the one. This the one. So this is definitely given fall luxury. It's given Chanelica. It's given everything it was supposed to give. Okay, basically. So, you know, a little cute little packaging. All right, let me go ahead and put this box down. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Because make sure y'all ready, okay? Because this is everything. Boom. How flippin' gorgeous. Is this not given fall luxury? This is given black Chanelica, okay? Tell me it's not given. And all these bags, it's like super nice. Like, just like the quality of it is so bomb. Definitely. This is, if this is not luxury, at its finest, I don't know what to tell y'all. The quality is just like top notch. And like, what I forgot to mention also is these little part, you know, sometimes, well, I've had bags in the past where this little gold part start to like rust or change color. Absolutely not. This is, as y'all know, this is not my first Sinbono bag. And the first one that I had still looks brand new. Of course, I take care of my stuff, but this never changed. Everything is well intact. So I'm just saying that to say this Sinbono definitely is top good quality bags. I kid y'all not. And yeah, I just love it. Like, this is really giving like a baby Chanel. Is it not? All right, and it is again magnetic, so you don't have to worry about any clipping thing. It just goes like that. How gorgeous. How freaking gorgeous. Like, I'm almost scared to wear it. Like, I'm not scared to wear it, but it's like, oh my God, I just want to keep it like just to show off. It is so cute. It's black. It literally can go with anything. Yes, this is probably my favorite. Besides my Louis, this is definitely, my Louis in this bag is definitely my favorite. Probably gonna be my everyday bag. I'm probably going to do a what's in my bag with my Sinbono bag. I love Sinbono. And what I forgot to mention as well, if you guys are interested in these bags, y'all know I got y'all. There is a sale going on right now. Also, you can also use my discount code, which is Marie26 at checkout to save some coins on your bag. So it's definitely going to be in my description box below if you guys like these bags. Like I said, Sinbono bags is very top quality. Yeah, like I love them. I definitely love them. This is probably like my 4th Sinbono bag. So yeah, definitely cute. I can't even put this bag down. Like, I'm probably gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this bag today, like dead ass. I'm about to wear this bag today. It is super cute. So yeah, so that was my 2 unboxing of my Sinbono for the fall. I love my bags. It's super cute, right? Remember, my discount code is Marie26 if you guys are interested in the purchase of these bags. I forgot to mention as well, Sinbono is really that girl. Like, they also was featured in Vogue. Yes, they were featured in Vogue, so you know it's a hot commodity with them. So yeah, definitely go and check out Sinbono.com. They do have an Instagram page as well. I'll tag all that information in my description box, as well as my discount code Marie26. So that was my little unboxing fall edition of Sinbono. Comment below what was your favorite bag. Comment below if you guys are interested in any of these bags. Let your girl know. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you once again for tuning in to yet another one of my videos. And until next video, bye y'all.